camouflage HD palette. So I got this one assuming I could use it to color correct and conceal and contour all at the same time with the same thing. I think for 3K or something for this palette, and she told me how I could use it all for color correction, concealing and contouring. And today we're gonna try that in front of the camera. And to be honest, I don't even know if I'm supposed to use this orange or this orange for my thing, but oh my god. But I've been trying this orange. If I'm wrong and I need to use this one, let me know. So what I do, I'm just starting out, like I'm pretty new to doing good makeup, and I'm still not sure if I'm doing good makeup yet. I hurt myself, guys. And I am going to tell you if it's worth it or not. Somebody who doesn't even know how to do good makeup. So that's funny. I hurt myself. Why am I so messy? I mean, I think it did a pretty good job. It's pretty decent. Now let's try to use the same thing on my smile lines. Although it might look like I'm stretching, which I just did right now, I am trying to dab. You see that? I think it did a pretty good job. Okay, now which one is the closest to my skin tone to color conceal? This? That looks a little too dark. Maybe this. Yeah, this one. So let's try to use it under my eyes. I think I'm supposed to go with a lighter shade. Do you see that, guys? Do you think I did a good job, or are you disappointed? I mean, okay, it's not bad, but I can still see the two lines. Why do I feel like it got highlighted more? Like, do you also feel that? Should I be using this orange? Let's try. No, I think I just ruined it. God, that clearly looks red. Now let's try the concealer. Wow. Sometimes I feel like my bare skin is just better on its own. Wait a minute. This looks good actually. I like it. Now let's try to conceal here. Now this looks a different shade and my forehead looks a different shade. So let me try a little bit of that on my forehead. I don't know, guys, if it's looking good or not. And honestly, I can't even see myself. Wait, this actually looks good, except for the forehead part. I don't know, everything looks more brown on the camera and looks more orangey in here. Okay, now let's use the same thing to conceal. I mean, we just conceal, right? To contour. I am clueless when it comes to contouring, and I think what shade am I supposed to use for contouring? I'm gonna go with this brown. If you're also a brown girl who has a similar skin tone as me, maybe these shades could help, or maybe not. Supposed to contour, right? Oops, I guess. Okay, it kind of gave a definition on the right side. I'm supposed to make a thin line, right? It definitely looks more defined than it did earlier. I think it helps. So I'm not sure. It has a lot of options, but I don't know if I'm the one using it right or not. But yeah, it's a good buy.